Good morning, student. Welcome back to science class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter that is digestion and role of microbes. That is for class 4 standard of subject science and part 4. So already we have discussed some concept related to this chapter that are discussed about types of teeth, structure of teeth, and sets of teeth. Okay, so these three concepts we have discussed in the last three parts. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about the how we are going to take care of our teeth. So here one thing you all of you know, by brushing, by cleaning our teeth, we can keep our teeth clean, is it? So see here, before going to that, what is the help of our teeth here? What is the function? See, our teeth which helps us in biting and chewing the food, which helps us biting and chewing the food. Okay, and after this, what happens? Whatever the small particles of food is there, that is get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. Okay, we have the spaces between our teeth here. So between that places, these small particles of food which get stuck into that spaces. So for cleaning them, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth properly. If you don't brush our teeth properly, then germs will start grow on them, and which leads to formation of yellow sticky coating. Okay, so many of you have seen that on our teeth there is a yellow sticky coating is fall. That is why, because if you don't brush our teeth properly, then automatically these germs will growing on the teeth. Okay, so once these germs which grow on the teeth know at that time, so there is a formation of here yellow sticky coating. Okay, and that yellow sticky coating is called as plaque. That yellow sticky coating is called as the plaque. Okay, so to prevent that, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth properly. And after that, when they form this germ, no, when there is a formation of this kind of yellow sticky coating plaque, or there is a formation of germs, so after that these germs, then it reaches to the dentine and pulp. Okay, once the germs will form, after that these germs will go through the nerves. After that, through the nerves it reaches to the dentine and pulp of our teeth. Okay, so once it reaches the dentine and pulp, what happen? This can cause a bad breath and tooth cavities, which cause a bad breath and tooth cavities. Okay, so to prevent these all things, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth properly. Okay, if we brush our teeth properly, then there is no formation of cavities, there is no germs formation, is it? So here what they have given here, what is the function of teeth? This teeth which helps us for biting and chewing the food. And after this, what happens? A small particles of food which get stuck in between the spaces of our teeth. Okay, so once it sticks, so after this we have to do, we have to brush our teeth properly. If we don't brush our teeth properly, then it means whatever the stuck particle are there, they forms a yellow sticky coating, that is called as the plaque, and which leads to the formation of germs. And after this, these germs, they reaches the nerves, they reaches the nerves through the dentine and pulp. Once it reaches to the nerves, then it will cause a bad breath and there is a cavity in our tooth. Okay, once a cavities will form in our tooth, then it will not a healthy tooth, it will decay. It is called as the decay teeth, is it? So to prevent these all things, what we have to do here, we have to take care of our teeth. So here let us learn how to protect our teeth from the plaque and from the cavity formation, is it? See the first point, brush our teeth at least twice in a day. I have told in the first class only that we have to brush our teeth twice a day, that is at the morning and at the night after meal we have to brush our teeth. But how to brush that? We have to brush the top teeth downwards. Whatever the top teeth are there, you have to brush it in a direction of downward and bottom teeth in the direction of upward. Top teeth in the direction of downwards and bottom teeth in the direction of upwards, is it? So here next thing, brush the back teeth and flat surface of the premolars and molars. So already you know molars and premolars, so we have to brush the whatever flat surface. So in premolars and molars, the teeth which has the flat surface, okay, and we have to brush this back teeth. These premolars and molars are the back teeth, and so we have to brush these back teeth properly. Whatever the flat surface is there of these premolars and molars, they have the flat surface, and we have to brush these back teeth and the flat surface of these premolars and molars. And one more thing, here we have to change your toothbrush every 3 months. We have to change our toothbrush every 3 months. If you don't change, the whatever germs are there in our teeth, no, that which stuck into our brush, so after this we use the same brush, no, so that's why, so that will create a bad effect on our teeth only. So that's why we have to change our toothbrush every 3 months. And clean your tongue using tongue cleaner. Okay, in your brush only, on the back side only it is there, tongue cleaner. So by using that we have to clean our tongue. And rather than these all, we have to brush our teeth side by side, brush up and down, side by side we have to brush up and down direction, is it? So next thing, do not consume too many sugary snacks or drinks. Okay, so don't eat a junk food and also sugary snacks and cold drinks, all those things. Okay, so you just avoid these sugary snacks and bakery foods, junk food and cold drinks. Okay, if once you avoid these things, then your teeth which is become a healthy, is it? And next thing, that eat fresh fruits, healthy vegetables and curd, eggs. Okay, so instead of sugary snacks or drinks, instead of these we have to eat here fresh fruits, healthy vegetables, curd, eggs, okay, pulses. Okay, these are things we have to eat. Okay, and one more thing, there is a main important thing, that we have to visit a dentist at least twice a year for a regular checkups. Okay, so in a year 2 times we have to go to the dentist and take the suggestion of the dentist, and we have to check up our teeth regularly, is it? And here at least twice in a year we have to go for the regular checkup to the dentist. So By doing these all, we can take care of our teeth, is it? So by doing regular brush, that is twice in a day, at the morning and at the night after meals, and we have to brush our teeth, top teeth downwards direction and bottom teeth upward direction, and we have to brush back teeth, that is premolars and molars. We have to brush back teeth and the flat surface of premolars and molars, and we have to change our toothbrush every 3 months, and we have to clean our tongue by using the tongue cleaner. And rather than these all, we have to brush up and down, side by side, brush up and down, and do not eat sugary snacks, drinks or bakery foods, junk food. Okay, instead of this, we have to eat here the healthy fruits, vegetables, curd, eggs, pulses. These all things we have to eat. And in a year 2 times, we have to go to the dentist and take the regular checkup from the dentist. Okay, so these are the some points from which we can protect our teeth from the cavity formation, is it? So here we have to take good care of our teeth to keep them healthy and throughout the life. Okay, to keep them healthy, what we have to do, we have to follow these all rules throughout our life. Okay, so hope you understood whatever we have discussed in this class. Okay, so that how to take care of our teeth, and if you don't take care of our teeth, then what will happen, is it? So to prevent those infection, to prevent those germs and plaque, what kind of measures we have to take? Okay, so after doing this, here we will do some points. Okay, we will solve some points here. See the first point, that how many teeth do adults have? I have told in adults and in children there are a difference in teeth. In adults we have here 32 teeth, is it? Next, these teeth are chisel shape. This is the second one. These teeth are chisel shape. Which teeth are in chisel shape? That is canines or incisors. Incisors are these are the teeth with the chisel shape, means sharp pointed shaped teeth. Third point, see, this part of tooth is protected by dentine. Okay, which part of the tooth which protect the dentine? Crown part or pulp part? Yes, crown part or pulp part? So here the first one is wrong, the second one is the correct, is it? So here the pulp part of the tooth which protect by dentine. See the fourth point, this can lead to tooth decay, dentist or plaque. Here obviously plaque which leads to tooth decay. Next, fifth one, wisdom teeth are the molars or premolars. I have told while explaining the molars only. So here molars have total 12 numbers. Out of these, 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw, and out of these 12, 4 molar teeth which grow later on, that is between the age of 17 to 25. I have explained. It means here wisdom teeth are the molars. Is it? So this is about the today's class. Hope you understood whatever we have discussed in this class, how to take care of teeth. So hope you all follow these rules, how to brush our teeth, how to clean our tongue, is it? So here this is the completion of today's class. We will meet in the next class with the new chapter, that is digestive system. Okay, dear student, if you find any difficulty in this chapter, you can contact me. first go through the textbook, see this video, and after that you find any difficulty, then you can contact me. So dear student, we will meet in the next class. Till that, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.